fourth and final way to flavor kombucha, and this is my favorite way, is by using flavored teas. So you add this flavoring in when you brew your kombucha, your first fermentation. So you're adding the flavor straight from the start. So it's definitely a little bit different, great flavor, and then you have the benefit of not having to do that second step, that extra process, and also not adding any more sugar that you have to do by using, fruit or fruit juices, or just, having to gather all of your other ingredients. So this is definitely one of my most favorite ways, and it packs a lot of flavor. So when you do your brew, we still brew with our little kombucha blend, which is, our house blend, which is green, black, yerba mate. I put some stinging nettle in there and a couple of little herbs that you can't taste. And then I pick a flavor. And this is, you can choose anything that you want. So we have a hibiscus blend that we do at the shop, which is very popular. We also have a blueberry that we've been brewing recently, which is amazing. And this is a sarsaparilla root, which is like a root beer. And if you add a little bit of ginger and you brew your kombucha with that, it's really easy to make like a kombucha root beer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bottle of blueberry that was brewed with the blueberry tea and the house tea. So this is already bottled. I just want to show you that it does change the color of the kombucha. It's like slightly pink. And so depending on the tea, the hibiscus will change the color, which is kind of fun too. It'll change the brew. But this is, you've got to try this. This will definitely flavor your SCOBY and your starter tea. So that's a little bit tricky, but easy to sort of manage once you kind of get the hang of it. So cheers.